आवाजें थीं। एक दिन धूप कुत्ते हुए सुबह के वक्त, जब वो एक शानदार दरख्त के अर्द गिर्द इकट्ठे हुए।
अच्छी जंगल। एक दस्ते परिंदे रहते थे। ये मुख्तलिफ किस्म के परिंदे थे जिनके पर जिंदा दिली और एकता थे। उन्होंने एक छोटे से ठगना देखा जो एक शाख पर बुलंदी पर था। ठिगने के अंदर उन्होंने 3 छोटे परिंदे पाए। परिंदे ने इन छोटों का ख्याल रखने और उन्हें अपनी सुल तस्वुर करके पालना फैसला किया। उन्होंने उन्हें चपटे परिंदों के ना ओहे से नवाजा, यानी चुनप, फुलफुल्ली और टुएट। परिंदों ने उन्हें चलना, गाना और खाना तलाश करना सिखाया। वो एक घरेलू खानदान की हैसियत इख्तियार कर लिया और एक दूसरे की खुशियों का ख्याल रखते रहे। एक दिन एक शैतानी शिकारी जंगल पहुंच गया। इसने खूबसूरत परिंदों के बारे सुना था और उन्हें अपने शख्सी जीम वार के लिए कैद करना चाहता था। परिंदे खतरे को हसवस करते हुए अपने परिंदों
Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there lived a group of birds. They were different species with vibrant feathers and unique songs. One sunny morning, as they gathered around a majestic tree, they noticed a small nest sitting high up on a branch. Inside the nest, they found 3 tiny, orphaned birds.
Filled with compassion, the birds decided to take care of the little ones and raise them as their own. They named them Chirpy, Fluffy, and Tweety. The birds taught them how to fly, sing, and find food. They became a tight-knit family, looking out for one another.
One day, an evil hunter arrived in the forest. He had heard about the beautiful birds and wanted to capture them for his personal collection. The birds, sensing danger, devised a plan to protect themselves and their young ones. They gathered all the forest animals and informed them about the hunter's wicked intentions. The wise owl suggested creating an illusion to confuse the hunter and divert his attention away from the birds. Together, they worked tirelessly to build a magnificent decoy tray.
The animals gathered around the guardians of the forest, expressing their gratitude. The birds humbly accepted the praise and reminded everyone that it was their duty to protect their home and each other. The forest slowly began to heal, with new trees sprouting and animals returning to their habitats. The guardians of the forest continued their watchful eye, ensuring the safety and harmony of all its inhabitants, and so, the legend of the brave and selfless bird spread throughout the land.